Good morning, students, and welcome back to your English class. As you can see on your screen, that the topic for today is articles. An article is a word that comes before a noun. So, as you can see, the boy, a bee, an apple. So, we have three articles in English: the, a, and an. Okay, so the, an. The identifies a specific person, place, or thing. The boy plays ball. That means we are talking about a person, a specific person. Then comes a. It goes before a word that begins with a consonant. And what are consonants, children? The alphabets which are other than vowels. And I hope you all know what are vowels. You have learnt it since class 1. Vowels are the words beginning with A, E, I, and O and U. A, E, I, O, U. And an is used, it goes before a word that begins with a vowel. So as you can see the example of the boy plays ball, that means we are talking about referring to a specific boy. Then I see a bee means any bee I have seen. I don't know about anything specific. Then I ate an apple. And a and an also indicate that the thing or the person is in singular number. That I see a bee, that means one bee I have seen. I ate an apple, that means I have eaten one apple. Okay, so both the things you have to remember. Then some more examples of a and an I'll read out for you. A plus consonant. A lamp, a door, a house, a bag, a tomato. Okay, then an plus vowel, that is an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. There are certain words write a or an before the names. So I'll read out for you. I hope you will also be able to understand it. A car, an aeroplane, a doll, a hat, an apple, an elephant, a mouse, a snake. Then next comes a parrot, a baby, an egg, a rabbit, a cat, an ice cream, an armchair, a ladybug. So these are some of the examples which you can write in your rough copy. Now listen carefully. This you will see, read and write in your rough copy. Now this is the work which you will write in your fair copies, English fair copies. And you will write the heading exactly as it is shown here, and you will draw the pictures. These are the simple pictures which you can easily draw. So in the same way you will write it in your copy with the date and neatly color it. Obviously you will use your cursive handwriting. In this it is not in cursive handwriting. You will use your cursive handwriting and do it neatly. Then this is the exercise which you will do on the next page, and you will write the heading as it is shown here. Complete the sentence with correct article. So I have provided you also, and I'll read them out for you. The plates are on the dining table. I want a burger. There is an orange on the table. The students are welcoming the chief guest. He is in a rush. I have got a plan for that. She is always smiling and kind to the students. Number 8, a teacher is an important person in everyone's life. He is the best in this subject. There was a lot of fun while playing cricket. So I hope you all have understood. I'll explain you once. This is the copy work which you will do in your copy. This is the rough copy work which you can do for your practice. So in the copy you will begin with this, color it and write it like this. Do write in your cursive handwriting, and then you will do this worksheet also in your cursive handwriting. I'll be coming up with some more explanation in my next class. Till then, do this much. Thank you and have a very nice day.